Hello friends, welcome back to my another PowerPoint tutorials. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create this. At first, we have to take a blank slate and change its color. And select this color. Then we have to go insert and take a line shapes. Press and hold the shift key and drag the line. Click this icon and change the line white. I give this value 7 and change its color white. Then cap type round. I change the position of these line shapes and keep it in here. Now we have to add animation of these line shapes. So let's animation option and click the line animation. We have to change the animation effect to right. Then we have to change the length of this line animation and drag the end point of this line animation in here. This animation will start with previous and its duration is 0.40 seconds. Then we have to duplicate these line shapes by pressing Ctrl D and take it in here. Then we have to decrease the size of these shapes. Then we have to delete the animation of these shapes. Then we have to duplicate these shapes 2 copies and press Ctrl D and again Ctrl D. I keep it in here and I keep it in here. Now we have to add animation on these 3 shapes. So let's click the add animation and add appear animation. Again go to the add animation and click the line animation. Now we have to change the direction of this line animation from the effect option to right. Then we have to go again add animation and add the fade out animation. Now we have to go animation pen and press Ctrl A, then select Start with Previous. Here the line animation duration is 0.50 seconds and the fade out animation duration is 0.25 seconds and delay 0.25 seconds. Now we have to increase the length of this line animation. Now we need a rectangle shapes to hide these line shapes. So let's take a rectangle shapes. Its outline color is no outline and press Ctrl D to duplicate these shapes and drag it in here. Now we have to change color of the rectangle shapes as exactly the background color. So I select this color. Let's see what we created. Now we have to do a little more animation. Select these 3 shapes and press Ctrl D to duplicate this. Decrease the length of line animation which we duplicated. Now decrease the size of these 3 shapes. Change the position of these 3 shapes over here. Perfect. Let's see what we created. Perfect. Now go to insert and take a text box. I am typing here, hello friends. You can type that's what you want. I change the text color white and increase the text size by pressing Ctrl plus closing third bracket. Now we have to add animation on the text. Go to animation and select the whip animation. Then change the direction of this animation from left. This whip animation starts with previous and duration 0.40 second and delay 0.10 second. Now let's see what we created. Perfect. Now we have to duplicate this slide 2 copies by pressing Ctrl D and again Ctrl D. Then we have to delete all the shapes and all the animation without text from the second slide. Then go to third slide to edit text animation and select whip out animation. Then change the direction of this animation from left. This whip out animation will start with previous and delay 0.10 second. Let's see how this animation looks like. Perfect.